Good morning, everyone. That just came in. Xiaomi, latest and greatest smartphones. No additional cost. Link in the description. Let's unbox it. And what do we have here is a Mix Flip with a very thick and heavy box, and Mix Fold 4 with also big and heavy box. In today's video, we're going to open the Mix Fold 4 and we're going to leave Mix Flip for the next video. Of course, there are two converters. I'm in Central Europe, so I get the Central Europe end. If you live in UK or US or different country with a different plug, you will get a correct plug. I mean the end. Smells like brand new PS5. Ta-da! Okay, let's put it aside. What else do we have as accessories? If it was black, it would be even nicer, but it is what it is. 67 watt charger, USB type A. Of course, let's smell. I love that smell. USB type A to C cable, and probably a case. Oh, that is fake. It better be a case. SIM card tool, and what is that? Oh, there's a... I think that's the case. A manual. Two cases. Wow. Apologize if you hear any background noise. I'm close to the airport now. Fighter jets are blasting today all over the place. Anyway, this is it. Well, this is a carbon version. All right, let me take that sticker out. It's a bit smaller than Vivo. Feels very... Oh, I can feel the texture. That is super cool. Look at that island for the cameras. That is huge. If we go a little bit closer, look at that. On the side, we do have two antennas, power button, volume button, another two antennas. Those buttons are at the correct height. I don't have to reach them too much. At the top, we do have a huge speaker, 4 antennas, and the microphone. And of course, the hinge, Mix design by Xiaomi. It looks like jewelry. Wow. And feels like jewelry. And at the bottom we do have USB type C, antennas, 2 microphones, speaker, and a SIM card tray. And of course, camera with a flash, a microphone, 3 cameras, and the periscope zoom. And the hinge, this is a brand new device, so you need a little bit more force. And now a little less force. And now again a little bit more force to open it. Nice. And if we want to close it, a little bit of force. Okay, same amount of force to close it. Same, all the same. And then it will close itself. Oh. And there it is. Wow. That's super cool. Unlock it again, and there it is, an update. Let me do that update and see, learn what's new. Update security patch. All right, we have to do. Oh, that's quite big, 686 megabytes. That's a lot. Meanwhile, when it's updating, we do have a case, if you can call it a case. I mean, why? You still have to glue that in. You see that stripes? That's why I need to glue that in. I mean, nah, I'm gonna pass on that one. There's like no point. This one also needs to be glued in. It's very, very thin and feels extremely delicate. Okay, let me put it in. I mean, that looks cool. I think it's cool. Still updating. Is it... Yeah, less slippery, definitely less slippery. Is it going to protect your camera? Yeah, it will. It is a little bit above the camera. bump. So, but it will not protect your screen. That is, no, it will not. So the other part is just for show, I guess. I mean, nah, without it, feels much better. This needs to be glued, because if it's not, it's a little bit loose, you see. And with the beautiful screen. Wow, now that is a screen. Swipe it, 120 Hertz with a smooth experience. If you go settings, and then, oh, it's too fast. There's a dark mode, there's 120 fixed. You can change it to 60, you can do auto mode, and apply using apps. So you can choose an app for 60 or 120, if you wanted to, of course. Wow. Of course, I'm not sure if you're able to see it. Oh, there it is. AI voice command, AI scanner, AI translate, and AI call assistant. But let's leave that for the full review. And let's continue. Let's continue to mobile networks. 2 SIM cards. Let me show you the speeds for 5G network. But what we need to test is a screen. How much crest are we going to see in the middle compared to a Vivo, for example? If we open the Vivo device, do we see a huge difference? Oh yeah, definitely Vivo has a little less than Xiaomi. Similar size, they're both beautiful. Alright, what kind of wallpapers are we going to have? Live wallpapers, this one is really, really cool. And a couple of more, but they are stationary. It's a moving wallpaper. It looks like your screen is getting damaged. It's awful. Anyway, all right. So camera it is. We do have a little subject, a sponge. Look at the quality of that screen. Now that is amazing. Wow, such a quality and details. Beautiful. We are in a movie mode. There's a pro mode, and in the pro mode we have all kinds of stuff. 8K 24 frames per second, but there's also movie mode, movie master if you wanted to. But let me be quick about it, because it's just an unboxing and the camera review and the full review coming soon. There's a video, and in the video there's a cool feature, subtitles. Let me just show it to you, subtitles. In the world of fantastic smartphones, there's one which have subtitles on the fly. You see, you have to have a great English. My English is not that great. And you will have subtitles on the fly, on your recording. All right. That's cool, but you have to have a great English, not like mine. My English is terrible. Anyway, photo, selfie style. All right. There's all kinds of loots, beauty modes, makeups, HDR. There are some stuff like loots. That's for the professionals. That's pre-installed loots. So you can switch loots and filters. So let me show you samples for photo and a video. 4K 30 frames per second for the wide angle lens, unfortunately, but it is very wide. Vlogging style, it is very, very wide. Let me switch to a 60 frames per second. And in 60, for the main lens, do we have autofocus in 60? Because there is none in wide angle. We do have, and it is nice. How quick it is? Very quick. Like I said, no autofocus for the wide angle lens. Come on, really? Really? Someone is drilling. That's my luck. That's my luck. Let's hit that zoom. Microphone zoom. Do you hear that drilling? Nicely. 6x, that's the maximum for the 4K 60 and 10 for the 4K 30. There it is, front-facing camera in full HD, 60 frames per second, full length of my arm, very wide, but no autofocus. Also, the inside camera is basic. It's the same camera, so similar behavior. Let's see pictures. My first impression, which one is the number one? At the moment, it's hard to say, but definitely bigger, longer lasting battery in Vivo, 4K 60 and wide angle, which is not available in Xiaomi. It's easier to hold because it has a flat edges, so it's very easy to open. With a round edges, no, it's not. No, I'm sorry, but for me, I have a thick sausage fingers, so flat is better. It looks nicer than Vivo. That's up to debate. It all depends on you, I guess. Everyone likes something different. They both super cool. They both ultra premium. They both really, really good. But which one is the best? Well, we're going to find out soon in the full review and the camera test. Link in the description. Additional discount code for you in the description. No additional cost. See you next video. Bye.